Hello guys, today we are going to start function. Actually, a function is very important chapter. If you master the function, almost every chapter ahead becomes much easier. Whether it is differentiation, continuity, calculus, and so on, doesn't matter. So learn first function in a very good way. Here we write definition of function. What is function? Here we describe the definition like a relation R from a set A to set B is called a function if these two conditions satisfied. What are these two conditions? Like every element of set A has an image in set B and no element of set A has more than one image in set B, and function can be described in such form, in this form: f such that A tends to B. Like this is set A and this is set B. Here we take some elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. And this set A called domain or tree image. And this set B called codomain or image. From the definition, every element of set A, each element of set A has an image in set B, but the image should be uniquely. Like this element of set A has an unique image in set B. This element of set A has an unique image in set B, like this and this. These all elements have an unique image in set B. Then this is the function. This is the function. For example, for other example, like we take two sets, set A and set B. Here we take 1, 2, 3, and 4, and A, B, C, and D. If this element of set A has an image in B, and further also this element of set A image in set B, like this, and set A, the element of set A also an image in set B, has an unique image for 3, similarly for 4. But this is not function. This is not function. Why? Because the definition says every element of set A has an image which is uniquely. Here we write no element of set A has more than one image. But in this element of set A has two images, B and C. This is not possible. So it is not a function. Similarly, we take some other example like this is set A and this is set B. Here we take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we take A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. This is set A, this is set B. Now, the element of set A has image 1 on B. Similarly, 2 on A, 3 on B, and 4 has image on C. This is function. This is function. It is it is function, because 1 and 2 has an unique image, not more than one. That's why it is function. So conclusion says converging 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 arrows will work in case of function, but but diverging arrows will not work. For example, elements of set A has image of 2 on A. Similarly, 2 has an image on C. This is a diverging arrows. So this is not a function. Got it? Now we move to next slide. Some special type of functions. We have some special types of function like one function. This is also we called injective function. For example, we take arrow diagram. Okay, this is set A and this is set B. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. Now, what says one function? The element of set A, each element of set A should has unique image on set B. This is called one function. Not more than one image should be on set B, which is called B domain. Like this, one has image on A, 2 has image on B, 3 has image on C, similarly 4 has image on D. This is one function which is uniquely in set B. Okay, and also here we discuss what are the range, or what are the range are A, B, C, D. This is the range, and codomain is A, B, C, D. Okay, now many one function. What is this? In many one function, also we take example from arrow diagram. A, B, C, D, set A, set B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like in many one function, B has image on 2, C has image also on 2, A has image on 3, and D has image on 3. So it is function, but many one function, many one function, because A and B has image on 2, image of A and B has image on 3, and B and C has also image on 2. So as I said, converging converging arrows will work in case of function. Okay, so this is the many one function. Now next function is onto, which is called surjective function. From the arrow diagram, this is set A, this is set B. In onto function, there's a condition. What is this condition? Condition says range equals to codomain. This is the condition. 1, 2, 3, 4. We take some example. A, B, C, D. Now, if one has image on A, 2 has image on C, 4 has image on B, and 3 has image on D. So here this is codomain, and these part which is matching one to one called range. So range equal to codomain. The condition is satisfied. So this is onto function. Now we have next into function. What is this? In into function, also we take example from diagram. This is set A, this is set B. 1, 2, 3, 4 in set A. These are the elements. In set B, uh, now in into function says at least one element should be left. At least one element should be left for satisfy the condition of into. Like we have image of 1 in A, similarly 2 has on B, and 3 has on D, and 4 has also on D. But here this element is left. So here we can say range is range is subset of codomain. Codomain, because range is smaller and codomain is greater. In this case, the function is into. Okay. Okay, thank you.